Come test drive the 2018 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, backup camera, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
We're located on Route 38 in beautiful Maple Shade, New Jersey, or online at fiatofmapleshade.com.